All right, so some of us from a very young age try to live up to unrealistic beauty standards, but put upon us by society. Our producer would like to get our thoughts on this, especially where body hair is concerned. We've had this discussion before, and I can tell you how daily I feel already. She says if it is too much hair, no matter where on your body it is, if it is too much, it just don't turn you on at all.
No, listen, because we live in a tropical climate and we sweat and we, especially underarm. Especially underarm.
And this is not just about women you're talking about. You're talking about...
No, never. It's a jungle out there sometimes with the men. It's a jungle out there. A jungle out there.
And it seems, I mean, beard was always part of people's...
grooming.
Right.
So, and I like a well-groomed beard.
Yeah, but it seems in recent time that everybody have a beard. I mean, and not only everybody have a beard, everybody have a big beard.
A bush. A big beard. So that's the thing now with hair. Because like even a beard or a mustache, when you finish eating dinner, lunch, breakfast,
it's a flavor saver.
I don't want to know that there's callaloo, that you had callaloo this morning. So it's and then my skin, I tell you, if it's too prick, like it is, like if I hug you up and you have a beard and it's too coarse, but
you've already...
So the beard oil and them things.
Yeah, but you've already said you don't like too much hair, but are you suggesting you just don't like beards, period? You'd rather clean...
No, I don't mind the beard, but I just don't think it should be all over the place, and I don't think I should say breakfast, lunch, and dinner in it. And I just, if it's too coarse, I can't.
No, but if you see the breakfast, lunch, and dinner, it's not the beard, it's just the man need to go wash off him.
Well, so it's the same thing with underarm hair.
Yeah.
You know, and I can tell if you roll on white hair, that's not attractive to me. It's not attractive
on the question I would ask is why would a man just walk past and say, hi Delia, and them not have no clothes.
No, like them I say, what? Like them waves. Them say hi, and them say, hey. I'm say,
oh, okay, then. So you're right, I'm just say hi. I don't put it.
No, I mean, you know, because if it's about this, we know where I go on under there. But
guys, how you feel about this?
Body hair overall, just groom yourself properly. No, that's just me.
What about women? Because some people say you must shave your legs and all kind of thing. What about if you see women with hair?
I find women who some legs for shave. Man, I tell you straight up. Like for me, like some of them for shave, but there are others who. The way they hair just lie down upon them skin, and like, you know, I said, wow, it really is attractive. I do find it attractive in some instances, but generally I prefer skin that is just hair free. That's my preference, but you know, I don't draw a hard line. Thankfully, the woman I married doesn't have a lot of hair, like
naturally.
Yeah, she doesn't naturally like that, you know. No hair on her arms, no hair on her legs, really. So, you know, but
it comes down to grooming.
Just groom yourself.
It comes down to grooming. But if you know that you're gonna have a lot of hair, you know, hair captures things.
Right.
So you just have to be a little bit more careful with the hair.
And I call his name, and I know this person today is a former West Indies cricketer that has absolutely no hair, no upon his body.
Oh.
No eyebrow. I'm serious.
Yeah.
No hair, no eyebrow, no mustache, no hair at all.
Nothing.
And it's not an illness or anything.
Yeah, that's just genetics really. It's just
no hair at all.
Yeah, but it's a highly subjective matter. It's very, very, very subjective because there are different things that you will both find attractive or unattractive, right? And I think people. We talk about, you know, do you subscribe to society's beauty standards? That's the caption on the screen. A lot of people are put under pressure or feel that they're under pressure to subscribe to a particular standard of beauty. And when you think about things like even skin pigmentation and altering your pigmentation or bleaching, as we call it in our instance, or the opposite when people are trying tan to become darker.
It is strange.
It's a thing that,
it is strange because there was a time, if it wasn't illness, you wouldn't see a bald-headed woman.
Right.
There was a time, and now people are you know.
Yeah, them
because
choosing
it's very
to
sexy.
cut their hair.
Yeah. First time them say, "We are cutting your hair, man."
Yeah, man.
Right.
There was when I say illness because chemotherapy and stuff, you would lose your hair. But some people, you really wouldn't see a bald-headed woman.
You know, I had locks, right? So a lot of people know when they talk about locks on TV, never know me. I wear locks a long time. Just I used to just pull it back because I couldn't bother to argue it. When I took the locks out, a lady literally said to me, "Oh, thank God you've taken..." So the locks was out. I didn't weave, you know. And she said, "Oh, thank God you're now wearing your natural hair. I didn't like that thing that you put in."
Yeah.
So I said, to be honest, you know, the locks was my natural hair. This is not my hair. And she said, "Well, I prefer this because now you look like you're ready to get married."
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I got a call here because one time my hair, well, even now, my hair is always cut the same way. So one day I said, "I want to change up my hair now." So I said, "I either going bald or dread." And I got about 5 calls. If I dread them, don't watch me again.
Yeah.
No, this is Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
And the lady called and said, "Mr. Bell, I love you, but I tell you the truth. If you got dreadlock, I am not going to watch you again."
Yeah.
So I kind of go, "What?"
Yeah.
You know? And this is Jamaica.
And
Straight
then
enough.
remember too, a lot of in Jamaica, especially as a former colony of England, there is a very Eurocentric type of beauty standard.
Correct.
So the hair couldn't be kinky or curly, which is natural for 90% of the population as black people.
But I'm glad you said that, Gar, because what's uncanny is if you now go to Europe, a lot of the Europeans are wearing locks.
Right.
A lot of the Europeans are trying to have that look where we are. The same thing with weed, you know.
Yep.
We not all know we can bust the cannabis,
No, but-
and everywhere you go all over the world.
But not only that.
Cannabis
I
make
mean,
money.
As a younger man, when my mother was around, there's no way I could even push out my head without me hair comb. Now there's a style that you don't comb your hair.
Right.
I mean, there's a style now that you deliberately don't comb
Right, you
your
just
hair.
grow it.
I
You
like-
just grow it
Yeah, you just
naturally.
grow it.
Then you probably do a lineup,
Yeah,
but that's
you
it.
don't. Well, one time,
You
if
have
I
to
ever,
look groomed to
go
me.
something, where you going? Mama, let us say, where you going? Please go and comb your hair.
Yeah.
Right. That's when I go foreign, I realize that people don't really care where their hair comb or that.
There was a time when it was Mr. T alone who used to wear mohawks as a black man, right? And I remember cutting my hair into a mohawk, which I lost a bet, which is why I initially cut my hair into a mohawk. And then my son loved it. And I said, "Oh well, if my son love it, I'm good."
Then that's
you know, and you couldn't. No, but for real, you couldn't be on TV unless you're playing a character.
Yeah.
Right.
When I stopped combing my hair, it was just, I was late for school, this is foreign, and I just take me an afro and go, so. And I go back, I go, "God, what? You hear no comb?" I said, "What, nobody never said that to me." She said, "This is Canada, nobody
Them
don't
not really
care."
care.
Right.
So I said, then if them
Other
care, me about
priorities.
comb it for, you know?
Right.
Other
It never
priorities.
matter, but some people know I like a nice little groom and stuff, but they were used to it.
No, I just feel it's what you're comfortable with.
Right.
If you're gonna have body hair, it's just about
But you don't want to see hair on him neck, back and down him
Chest and
you don't want to.
If it's groomed, but if it just
How you gonna comb the hair for him?
look like.
So how you groom your
No, but ladies, that's my thing though. Ladies, if you're dating a man and you wish well for him, he can't say wrong this, he can't, you know, because we know you have to look in the mirror. But you can't say, "Honey, you know, if you did a little."
Yeah, we're going to the beach today. I'm gonna comb your back hair.
And you just take a little thing and you just clip him up and you say, "Look at that. That look nice." But what you gonna do then? Every day you get up and say, "I can't take to see the back here. You can't do something about the back here.
Yeah.
The back here, the back." No, but just say, "Honey."
Someone say,
If not here, the scissors around there, you know. Just clip and just go so.
A man say, "Who you going out with?" You just say, "Never werewolf."
Never wear one.
Yeah, man, when him asleep and him just put back him hand, so you just go so.
When
cut
him
off,
wake
cut
up,
off
him
some.
say, "Wait."
Right, that's a breezy. That's how you have to do it. That's how you have to do it.
Well, I guess it's preference, right? Some people will say, "Boy, no, me love when there's plenty here." Some people say, "I don't want to see no hair at all." Because some people have a clean face, no mustache, nothing at all, and they're fine with that. All right, that's it for We Said.
Yeah.
She Said. After the break.
Ladies, get us
Handmade
scissors.
cultural earrings. We did that so when we wake up.
Yeah.